Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make these rabbit baskets. You can put things inside, for example this pencil. So this tutorial is very easy. For this you need nothing but a square sheet of paper, because this is basically just origami, and you might need some watercolor pens for the eyes. So that's it, let's get started. So what you're gonna need for this project are a square sheet of paper and a pencil. I'm gonna be using this only for the eyes, but you may avoid this step if you want. So that's it, let's get started. For this project you'll just need this paper, and what you're gonna do with this paper is first make a diagonal fold here, and then on the other side here. After that, fold the paper in half, and then once again in half. So now the paper is divided in 4 portions. After doing this, what you're gonna do is fold these down here only with the corners, and then you will pinch the middle like this, and after that place it just below this line, and then fold it back there. Now once you open your paper, you'll find it's divided in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 portions. Next what you'll do is fold your paper like this, and you'll start to notice that this line is here. So first of all, fold it like this, then fold it just along this line, and it should touch this line. Basically you'll do this crease, and the crease should touch the 5th line right here. So after doing this, turn it over and fold it like this. Now you'll notice that there's this part here, and for this you'll just fold it once again this way, and you'll notice that this fold is coming up. Fold it up like this. So look guys, if you think I'm going too fast, you can adjust your speed, and then you'll go back to this part. So look, we are already done making a bit of this face. Now we'll focus on this part. For this, you'll make a diagonal fold, and the end of the diagonal fold should touch the 2nd line. After doing it, do it on the other side. Then once you open it, you'll start to see that here's a W like shape here, and you'll just fold it inward. Just pinch it. Also for this side. Now look guys, if you open your paper, you'll make a fold like this, and then fold this thing in half, and then turn it to the other side and fold it in half as well. Then look, you have got this nice shape. What you're gonna do now is just tuck it inwards. After tucking it in, I guess I'll have to open this part. Look, after tucking it in, you'll find that this part is a bit fiddly. So what you're gonna do is just press it flat. Now guys, do the same thing for this side. So guys, I'm done. Now you'll fold it like this and fold it this way on the other side as well. Then you'll get this shape, and if you press these both, you'll start to notice that this thing is coming up, and you'll just press it flat. Now just open up the ears a bit, and after doing that, here you go. Here's your finished rabbit. Now just flatten up this part. Guys, look, you got your rabbit. You can make the eyes. So that's it guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video.